In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a video collage on InShot Video Editor. So when you talk about video collage is where you want to have two videos, a video within another video. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also subscribe to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. So to add another video inside this video, it is quite simple. Just follow these steps. And the first thing you need to do is to go over this bar and then look for this PIP and then tap on it. Go ahead and choose the second video that you so wish. For my case, I like to go ahead and choose this and it will be added to your video. Now from here, go ahead and move this video at any location that you so wish and then resize it as you wish. So once you are done, you will have inserted. Now go ahead and also change the duration. For instance, maybe how long do you want this video to play? If you want it to play from the beginning to the end, go ahead and increase the length so as to cover the entire length of your video. And once you are done, go ahead and tap on this tick to save the changes. So by doing this, you'll now have two videos playing alongside each other on InShot. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.